This 6-liter powered 67 Camaro was built for the enthusiast who wants the absolute best. If you've been languishing at your desk debating a purchase while your favorite F-bodies cycle through our inventory, here's a chance at redemption. Completing an intricate transformation from solid Detroit steel to lean, mean Chevrolet Dream Machine, this stylish F-body displays bodywork that's nothing short of excellent. The car's ground-up nut and bolt restoration is dressed in an original Camaro body that appears to have never seen major rust or significant damage. And glossy DuPont 2-stage seals deep black pigment under a red stinger stripe and mirror-like shine. Behind the car's solid closing doors, you'll find a flashy red interior that wraps a simple, distraction-free driving environment in a balanced combination of class and convenience. A thoughtfully modified dash hangs Dakota digital gauges beside modern air conditioning and a Kenwood CD player. A two-tone console centers a TKO shifter between tall Scat Pro Car buckets, and the driver grips a leather-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift the car's lightweight fiberglass hood and you'll find a potent 6-liter small block that's dressed as a modern LS2. Bolted to that strong block is a Tremec 5-speed manual that sends power back to 411 gears with posi traction. This awesome Camaro represents creative engineering at its very finest, combining proven old-school design with reliable high-level performance. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.